in Excel, you can choose to show or hide different types of data. This is known as filtering. If you do not need a particular category or type of data, or if you want to focus on specific data groups, you can use the filter tools. You can specify criteria to include or exclude, or indicate the value that you want to visualize. Now from my table below, if I'd like to activate filters for each of my columns, I have a couple different options. First, from your Home tab, you can go towards the right-hand side, and within the Editing group, you'll find the Sort and Filter menu. From this menu, you could choose Filter to activate your filters. You can also activate your filters directly from your Data tab within your tool ribbon. From the Data tab, if I go towards the center, I'll find the Sort and Filter group. From here, I can activate filters by selecting the filter icon. Once your filters are activated, you'll notice next to each header that you now have a filter menu that you can quickly select to filter out your data. For example, if I'd like to filter out a specific company within the company column, I can select the filter menu, and you'll see below that your filter options will appear. You can choose to filter by text, as well as search for specific terms, and below you can manually select or deselect certain terms within your column criteria. By default, all of my values have been selected, but if I'm looking for a particular company, I'm going to choose Select All to deselect my values, and I'm going to go through and select an individual value to filter out. Once I've done this, I can select OK, and I can see those values from my table have automatically been filtered out for that particular company. Now, when you apply a filter, you'll be able to see in the top right-hand corner that the icon Filter has been applied to this particular column. This will indicate that a filter is applied to that column, and you could choose multiple ways to manage that filter. For example, if this data is continually being updated, you'll need to reapply the filter. To do this, you can go to your Sort and Filter group, and you could choose Reapply. This will update your data, especially if your data is changing in real time. Now, if you find that you would like to remove a filter, you can do this multiple ways. You could choose the Clear Filter option, which will clear your filter directly. You can also go to the filter menu itself and choose Clear Filter from Company. Once I select this option, I can see that my filter is no longer applied. Now, if you'd like to remove your filter menus altogether, you can go back to the Sort and Filter group and choose the filter icon. So nice seeing how to activate and use filters within Excel.